Our crews work as carefully as they can to leave your yard exactly as they found it. But some jobs, such as work on underground lines or pipes, can't be done without minor damage to your yard. To repair this minor lawn damage, we add fresh soil, plant grass seed, and protect it with straw. Please water the new seed daily so it can grow. Once the grass grows well, you can carefully remove the straw matting. If your yard needs extra care, our landscaping contractor will return to put everything in place. New plants do best during the growing season. Sometimes landscapers will wait to work on your yard until spring to give your new grass and plants the best chance to grow. We'll post signs in work areas or send mail with a local number to call if you have questions. You can also find our contact form and more information about the construction process at alliantenergy.com/construction.